We're the first to admit that the idea of making brownies with black beans sounds strange and a bit unappetizing. But hear us out. When you combine black beans with other ingredients in a food processor, something magical happens. You can't taste the beans at all. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth. We're going for no chunks, not one. This recipe gives you some leeway as you can use either honey, maple syrup, or agave to add sweetness. Stir the chocolate chips into the bean mixture and pour into a greased baking dish. Sprinkle a few more chocolate chips on top if you want. Bake the brownies for 15 to 18 minutes. Enjoy!